Hello everybody! The 2011 Bradford White water heater is gone. Come on, let's go see what we got. Here's the water heater reveal. Another Bradford White. Let's see what we got on this one. It is a model number RG140T6N, serial number AM54451179. To code that to see what year this is. They finally went back to the more traditional style thermostat, which is awesome. Got regular barbecue igniter on there. Probably got that goofy thermocouple like the other one did. But there's the hookup. New gas line. The burner supply looks smaller, so I guarantee you that burner is a lot smaller than the last one. Kind of looks like the similar setup. It is chooching at the moment. Kind of an odd sounding burner, but as long as it heats the water, that's all I care about. Stand back and get a overall look at it. Up top, new supply lines. So yeah, there it is. So we'll see how long this one lasts. On this controls panel, I've got a QR code. It's got a 243062177, so I'm wondering if those first four digits is the date code. 24, 30th week of 2024. Could be. Oh, the original floor tile. Wouldn't mind finding some more of that and kind of go over here with it like it used to be. But yeah, look at the water heater. Bradford White. Nothing but the best, I guess. So I've pulled up the data sheet on this particular water heater. I will also leave a screenshot if you want to look at something more closely. I don't know about the maintenance-free nonsense, because I certainly had to clean the flame arrestor filter thing of the 2011 plenty enough. Hydrojet, vitroglass lining, enamel formula. I would imagine that is good as long as the anode rod is still in good shape. Magnesium anode rod. Actually do have a replacement, so that should work with this new one should I need to replace it. So yeah, that's that. It's got a 5-star rating. This illustration depicts the style like the 2011 had. So I guess that's a recent change. Once again, this has been water heater replacement to start out 2025. Thank you for watching.